beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. I am here today with this beautiful Christmas look. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I just didn't get around because I was so busy, and then in between I wasn't feeling well, so I just didn't have the energy to come up and make a video. Another reason for the delay was that top took forever to come, and until I had my outfit, I couldn't really make this video. And the idea was this teal eye look with blue color outfit, and I wanted to do that because it's inspired from the movie called Glam. There is this song called First Class in the movie, and I saw one of the actresses wear this lehenga and the blouse was blue and green, and it looks so beautiful together, and I wanted to incorporate that somehow in my life as well. I was either gonna make an outfit like that or try this out first. I will probably still make an outfit like that, I don't know. We'll see right now. Because because everything is on hold due to COVID, not a lot of parties are happening, a lot of weddings are being very small scale. I don't know when I'm gonna get a chance to actually make that outfit or get that made, so I thought I want to incorporate this in Christmas. It's very Christmassy. It is that glam Christmas look, and it's very simple and elegant. I hope you guys will like the video just as much as I do, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, follow me on Instagram, and continue watching. Alrighty guys, so I finished the look. I went and popped some lashes, did my hair, and put some lipstick on, and voila! This is my Christmas night look. I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, follow me on Instagram, and I will be back with more fun videos. If you have any requests, please do let me know as well so I can make those for you. No, we're not celebrating Christmas with a lot of people or having big parties, so it's just us, and just wanted to keep it as beautiful, simple, elegant as I could. Yeah, and I really hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.